Good to see you finally awake. I have here your release papers, your new prescriptions, and your bill.
I'm sorry, this is my bill?
Yes, that's correct.
This is too much. I can't pay.
I see. Just wait right here.
There's my favorite car crash survivor. So, word is you're not paying your medical bill.
Well, I don't,
You wouldn't mind if we checked your bank information, would you? I see what you mean. That is unfortunate.
Is this bad? What do I do now?
No, you don't need to do anything now. We'll handle it from here. You just wait right there and hold very still. Looks like he has a getaway driver. Somebody, better do something about that.
No, these are the parking tickets. I'm gonna pay them, I promise.
You're gonna lose them, all right? Hurry up.
Somebody kill
Is it because of jury duty? I thought no one would notice.
This guy drives like crazy! Everybody, be careful!
LSPD, stop your vehicle now! Pull over immediately!
Hey, who's in there? You have to stop the car.
Better stop.
Right now.
I see him!
Don't
Oh, you're dead.
I'm on it.
Don't let him out of your sight.
This is the National Guard. Surrender now, or we will use lethal force.
I see a weapon! I can't believe it!
What?
Anybody know what's going on here?
Oh, this can't be good.
What? Everyone, get back! Everyone, get out of here!
To call someone about this.
I think that's an angel. I think he's gonna grant my wish.
Finally, you're awake. I was beginning to think I'd have to call the morgue.
What? What happened?
You were floating in the harbor. Good thing I saw you, or you might have drowned.
You saved me?
Why, of course. Your life is worth a lot more than you realize.
Really?
Yeah. Look.
Is that me? Wait.
Yep. $10,000.
Our sources are confirming that the giant unidentified object that appeared downtown is in fact hostile. We now go live to the mayor's office.
As you know, the situation downtown is getting worse by the minute. Due to these unfortunate circumstances, we will be offering a significant reward of $10,000 to anyone who can, stop this giant, cube?
Good thing I already have my $10,000 right here. Hold on.
Wait, hold on! what are you doing out here? Did something happen?
Yeah, something happened. I got in a car accident and...
Tell me about it later. Just get in and put some clothes on. I got a plan to stop this thing.
Exactly what are you planning to do?
It's simple. Do you know what's in this truck?
Gas?
That's right, more than 10,000 gallons of petroleum. All you gotta do is drive into that thing and the truck will explode.
We're in the truck.
I know. We'll jump out.
Dad, we're late!
Hey, can we get moving?
The light's still red.
Please, just drive, okay?
Oh my god. It's him.
Please, please, just drive.
I'm not gonna run a red light in front of my son. I gotta set a good example
That's
for
the
him.
guy from the morning.
Please,
It's him!
just drive.
There you are. I've been looking all over for you.
Hold on. You're not getting away from me. Wait, stop! Hey!
Get back, all right? Hey,
Hold on.
slow down, all right?
Faster, you gotta
Get off
stop!
of me. Truck.
You're not using your turn signals! You always get mad at me for not using those signals and not using
Everybody
getting away
hold
from
on.
me.
Oh no.
Get up already. You're
Dad,
Now,
no,
son.
Get off already!
You're dead.
Stop.
It's over for you.
Leave us alone!
Get off of me.
Get off of me.
This is gonna...
Nice face, loser.
Almost
Hey, hey, help please. Hi, sorry, help please. Wait, no, okay, wait, stop. Stay away, stop! We're not gonna make it.
No. Wait. Oh no.
Good to see you finally awake. I have here your release papers, your new prescriptions, and your bill.